Hi, we're going to do a breathing technique with a difference. You're going to visualize something that you want coming into your body, like new energy. You're going to imagine dissolving away any stress, anxiety, fears, anything that you don't wish to have. So just follow along with me. Take a breath in through the nose, which is preferable. And imagine the breath going through the lungs, using the diaphragm that pushes down, that pushes the tummy out a little. And as you exhale carbon dioxide, imagine releasing any energy or fears or anxiety or stress, anything in your body you don't wish to have, anything in your mind you don't wish to have. Imagine it leaving your body. And with every fresh breath in with oxygen, imagine that dissolving away anything you don't need also. Imagine that fresh oxygen and energy going into your brain through every cell in your body. And as you visualize that, sometimes people like to imagine a color coming in, a positive color of the new energy, and breathing out the negative energy or used up energy or the stuff that we just don't need. So just follow along with me. Breathe in through the nose for the count of 3. Hold for a little beat right at the top, and exhale through the nose or the mouth for about the count of 6. Really letting it all go. So breathe in for the count of 3. That fresh new energy going through the lungs. Hold for a beat at the top. Exhale longer. Breathing out all that negative energy, tension, stress, fear, worry, anxiety. And then breathe normally for a moment. And this time just imagine that new energy going through every single part of your body, every cell, every muscle, every nerve, every fibre of your being. Just imagine that coming in on your next breath in. Holding it at the top, and exhale, releasing all of that. I'll just be quiet for a few moments as we breathe in for the count of 3, hold for a beat at the top, exhale for the count of 6. So we'll do that a few times, okay? Breathing in that oxygen and new energy, the colour of it, the calm, peace, tranquility, and exhaling anything you don't need, all the carbon dioxide, any used up energy in your body. And do this as long as you need to feel calm wash through your body, nourishing every cell in your body. You're also telling your brain and your subconscious that we're safe. The breath out being longer hacks your vagus nerve, which is around here, sends a calm signal through your entire nervous system, through all the organs in your body. Calm all the way through. This also calms the amygdala in the brain, which is the powerhouse of fear and anxiety and worry and stress and anger. We're sending signals throughout your entire nervous system to enable it to become a calm system so that you're in control.